Hello and welcome to Affordable Slimes. Today I'm making instant clear slime. To do this I'm using borax and clear glue. So to get started I've got borax already in my container. As you can see it is clear because I've dissolved the borax. It's 1 cup of water to 3 teaspoons of borax, as I want a stronger activator so it's not so watery. Next I added a little bit into the container. Now I'm going to add some clear glue. So I'm just going to pour some in there. As you can see. Now I've got my spatula here. And I'm going to use it. I'm not going to just vigorously mix it. I'm just going to fold it to try and get the borax in with it. It's not going to be crystal clear, but I'm going to try my best. We just want to fold it. I like my clear slimes a bit thicker, but if you like them jiggly, then you can add 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. And if you want it super thick, you can make an even stronger activator. It all depends what sort of slimes you like. You kind of need to press it out a little bit to try and get the glue into the borax, but you want to try and not let air bubbles get in. It is very hard to do. I am rushing it a little bit because I don't want this video to go for so long. I'm trying to fill up. Alright. So now I'm going to take it out of my borax solution and put that to one side. As you can see, it is pretty clear, but it's not super clear. I have over activated it, but can't really help it. It's got a fine line between under activating it and over activating it, but I've tried my best and I've made it clear. I'm going to try this one again, just because I'm not 100% happy with that one. So I still got my borax water. I'm just going to add some clear glue. I'm just going to put it on. And then just up and over. So it's just about folding in that borax carefully. I'm trying to make this work for everyone. But if you got patience, you'll be able to do it easily. So this isn't quite working. It's clear-ish, but I'm trying not to over-activate it. This one's going to turn cloudy, but I just don't want to over-activate it. So maybe 2 teaspoons of borax. will help. So I'm just going to make a normal clear slime to show you a little bit of difference. So you've seen what it was if it's like clear. Then I'm going to show you what it's like as a normal clear slime. See, this activator is very strong because I prefer stronger activators, but I don't know. I've done it before, but I just didn't record it. I spent a bit more time on it. So, it didn't quite work. It's rippy, it's overactivated. I didn't do a very good job on this one. So this one was a fail. But that happens. So that one is rubbery. This one's clear but rubbery and rippy. I'm just not very good at clear slimes. They always fail on me. But just a bit of practice. I do have a clear slime here that isn't exactly clear because I'm really bad at them. It is very underactivated, so I'm just going to tip a little bit of activator in and mix in the activator. And I'm going to put beads. So I'm going to change the texture of this one. I'm going to put beads in this one. Because that was the original plan. I was going to show you how to like add things to clear slime. But this one is very underactivated. It melted pretty much. Tip it out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I put conditioner in this one because it was horrible, and at that time I didn't have hair gel, so I didn't get it to be exactly clear, but it happens. So what's everyone been up to lately while I'm activating this? Are you at school? Is it break? Are you stuck at home during the COVID? What's everyone been up to? Sorry, someone just used the bathroom and you probably hear the pipes because I'm right underneath the pipes. So I apologise. Okay, while this is still sticky, I'm going to add some beads. So I got these beads from Spotlight, which is like a crafty store in Australia. I'm going to see how they work in slime because we don't get Binso beads, so I'm seeing if these are similar to Binso beads. They are similar to Binso beads. So I'm going to see how they go in slime, whether they make it crunchy or whether it's a waste of time. They are only $3 a packet from Spotlight, and they're in the bead section. Yep, beads are starting to fall out, so it's activated in there. So I'm going to add my hair gel, make it softer. If you've seen my previous videos, I've explained on how much the hair gel costs, which is $2 from Woolworths. I've done a few videos of fixing slimes, so this is kind of a fix your own slime, but also instant slime, instant clear slime. I am not the best at slimes. It takes time to be good at making slimes, but I'm really bad at it. So I'm just gonna get the beads back into the slime. Make it a little bit sticky again, because I might add another packet of beads. I might do this as like a crunchy slime, so I might add foam beads to this as well, the small beads. Because I want to make it crunchy. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring in the background. They're inside at the moment as it's wet outside. It's been raining majority of the day, but I had to get this video done. So I'm going to add another packet of beads. I'm trying to make this like a crunchy clear slime. So it's still not as crunchy as I'd like, so I'm going to add some green foam beads because it is kind of a greeny colour. So I'm going to add some green foam beads. And I just ordered them off of eBay for $9, and it came with a whole bag of different colours, but they're only that size, so they're not huge bags. eBay is similar to Amazon, so you may be able to find it on Amazon. Sorry if you can hear the beads falling out. I'm just trying to make this into a crunchy slime. I'm going to add the whole packet in. I want to make it super crunchy. I want it to be a full floam, not a semi floam, but also have the beads in there as extra texture. So it's just about mixing them all in. Sorry if the bouncing of the beads is too much. I can't do much about it as I'm in a quiet space, which is usually quiet, but everyone wants to make noise today, so I apologise. found my white ones. I just picked these up from the art and craft store and they work really well, and they come in a huge bag. I think it was $5 for this bag, but they only come in white, they don't come in other colours. Otherwise I would get more of them. So I thought that the big white foam balls might add some more texture to this slime. Makes it more crunchy, makes it look better. I love making floams. Most of my slimes turn into floams because I like adding foam beads to them. They just add lots of texture to them. And you've got some of the beads in there and some fruits Fimo slices. So this is my green apple slime, because you got the green foam beads as the outside and then the white foam beads for the middle, as it's like a crisp apple. They're usually white on the inside. So it's like a Granny Smith apple, is what we call them here in Australia. It's always different everywhere else in the world. Alrighty. So I'm just going to move some stuff out of the way. Alrighty, I'm going to do some ASMR. So this is my green apple slime with foam beads and beads. This is kind of a how to make a floam and how to make an instant clear slime. Hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to making more videos soon. I will be buying white glue soon, and I'll make some white slimes. I'll do some how to make a few slimes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up and comment what other videos